Job sequencing with deadlines. Greedy method. Job sequencing problem brief explanation. You have a set of jobs. Each job takes exactly 1 unit of time. Each job has a deadline and a profit. You must schedule jobs on one machine. You earn the profit only if the job finishes on or before its deadline. The goal is to pick and arrange jobs to get maximum total profit. The best method is a greedy approach. Sort all jobs by profit in descending order. For each job, place it in the latest free time slot before its deadline. If a slot is free, schedule it. If not, skip the job. This gives the maximum profit schedule. The real-time scenario. A digital marketing agency has only one designer. The designer can complete only one task per day. The agency receives multiple design requests from clients. Each request has deadline last day by which the design must be delivered. Profit money earned if the task is completed before the deadline. The goal of the agency is to maximize total profit. Problem definition, brief script. We are given a set of n jobs, J1 to Jn. Each job has two important values: a deadline by which it must be completed, and a profit that is earned only if the job finishes on or before its deadline. There is only one machine, and each job needs exactly 1 unit of time to complete. Because not all jobs may fit within their deadlines, the goal is to select and schedule the jobs in such a way that the total profit is maximized. Algorithm, brief script. Sort all jobs in decreasing order of profit so the highest profit job is considered first. Pick the first job and try to assign it a time slot. If the job's deadline is R, try to place it in the slot R1, R. If that slot is already filled, try the previous slot R2, R1, then R3, R2, and so on until a free slot is found. Repeat this process for all remaining jobs. This ensures maximum profit while meeting deadlines. Problem. Step 1. Sort jobs by profit. Sorted in descending order of profit. A profit 20, deadline 2. B profit 15, deadline 1. C profit 10, deadline 3. D profit 5, deadline 3. Step 2 and Step 3, brief script. Next, we look at the maximum deadline, which is 3. So, we create 3 time slots, all initially empty, slot 1, slot 2, and slot 3. Now, we start scheduling jobs using the greedy method. Job A with profit 20 and deadline 2. We check slot 2. It is empty, so we place job A in slot 2. Job B with profit 15 and deadline 1. We check slot 1. It is empty, so we place job B in slot 1. Next, we take job C with profit 10 and deadline 3. We check slot 3, and since it is empty, we place job C in slot 3. Then we check job D with profit 5 and deadline 3. Slot 3 is already filled, slot 2 is filled, and slot 1 is also filled. So, job D cannot be scheduled. Final schedule, brief script. After scheduling all possible jobs, the final slots look like this. Slot 1 job B. Slot 2 job A. Slot 3 job C. These jobs fit within their deadlines and give the highest possible profit. Now, we calculate the total profit. A gives 20. B gives 15. C gives 10. So, the maximum total profit is equal to 20 plus 15 plus 10 equals 45. Final answer. Heavy checkmark selected jobs B, A, C. Heavy checkmark maximum profit 45. Time complexity, brief script. The greedy algorithm first sorts all the jobs, which takes O, n log n time. After sorting, it schedules each job in at most one scan, which takes O, n time. Combining both steps, the overall time complexity is O, n log n. Applications, brief script. Job sequencing with deadlines is useful in many real-world areas. It is used for task scheduling in CPUs, operating system process scheduling, and project management. It also helps in task prioritization and effective resource allocation, ensuring maximum output with limited time slots. Summary: Job sequencing with deadlines, brief script. The purpose of job sequencing with deadlines is to schedule jobs so that deadlines are met and total profit is maximized. The key idea is to use the greedy method. We select jobs in descending order of profit and place each job in the latest free time slot before its deadline. The process is simple. Sort all jobs by profit. Create time slots equal to the maximum deadline. Schedule each job in the best possible slot. The output is a valid schedule that gives maximum total profit. This method is widely used in CPU scheduling, production planning, advertisement scheduling, and resource allocation. Thank you.